Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's installation video, I'm going to showcase the Lasfit all-weather floor mats for the brand new 2026 Toyota RAV4. I'll have a link down in the description below where you can purchase this complete kit for your RAV4. They also make them available for several makes and models. So that link will be down in the description where you can fully protect the interior of your vehicle, the correct order or space. So as we install this passenger one, you'll notice that there's this cutout right here for underneath the seat, and I would recommend setting these out for a few days before you install them. Just from shipping purposes, they need a little bit of time to expand and get into their correct position. But you'll notice with the height of the floor mat here, it is going to better protect the interior. Everything is going to fall on the top here and give you a really nice surface. So with these as well, they are going to be much easier to keep clean and keep dry. You can take the hose to these, you can wipe them down, and it is much easier than having to vacuum them out like you would with the carpet here. As you can tell, we would need to vacuum this, and some of it is just not going to come out. So with the installation of this, especially on the driver's side here, we can find these attachment points, lock it into place. You have full coverage for the dead pedal here, as well as a small lip just under the gas pedal. So that way you still have access, of course, to your throttle there and your brake, and then you have this lip here again to keep everything in the interior there, along with the door sill. So very easy so far for the front seats. For the back seats here, we have this one solid piece. So it is going to be a little bit tricky depending on where you have the seats positioned, but you'll notice there's only going to be one way to install these. So we have this cutout in the front section, which is going to go underneath the front seats. So you can do this one person, and it just takes a little bit of time to wiggle it into place. And once we have it in, you even have that protection for right in the middle. So again, if you have passengers in the back, you have a lot of protection here in order to keep everything on that mat. You can easily wipe them down. And then working your way to the cargo section for the all-new RAV4, we have the full mat in the lower section, which we can install first. And you'll notice too that on the front section, once we get this in on both sides, there's actually this part right here, which is going to flip up. So this is going to allow this back section here to be covered as well. So once we get this into its right spot here, it will go underneath this speaker housing on one side, and then we can put it right into that section right there. So again, let it set out for a couple days just because of how it was folded for shipping purposes. But you'll notice it goes up this way too. So that way there's going to be no debris getting in between the seat and this cargo space, especially when you have the back seat folded down. So you have a lot of coverage for your back seat here. And then let's work our way to the back of the seats. You have this release by the headrest, so you can fold these flat. You'll notice this section is in line with this piece right here. So Toyota even does have this section here, that way no debris goes under, but you just have another form of your protection there. And when you line up this new one, you'll notice there's a cutout here for the car seat connection points and the cutout for the latch for the seat. And then you'll notice these can be brought together here and overlap slightly. So that way when you're pushing items in this way, you don't want to have them in this orientation because you will just push this lip up, but you can have them like this and easily close them as well. And when we come around, you'll notice now that they are folded on top of each other, and that will still give you the protection on that side. And then the smaller one is going to go on the driver's side, where we have the same way to attach it. So you'll notice that we have the cutout, and we can line that up just like that. And now we have that ready to go. You can fold the seat up, but let's go around and fold that other seat back down and showcase the full interior with the floor mat coverage. So if you're using this vehicle, again, it's a smaller size SUV, but you can place in items and you can keep the entire rear section well protected. There's even tie down hooks too, so you can place in some items, really dirty this up, and then easily remove these as needed, and you are ready to go. So if you are looking for a complete set for the all-new RAV4 or your specific vehicle, you have a lot of coverage to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape, especially with this model being brand new. The interior is going to look fantastic over the lifetime of this vehicle for the owner, especially with the interior mats.